This is 17 under Inter Barangay Champs League.
May kisuyo na po sa nasa ilalim ng ring sa may kanan. May adjust po kasi po nakataklipan po yung camera sa ilalim. May kisuyo na po. Ito na ating last game. The home court, San Antonio Uno versus San Vicente.
And this is the first quarter of the game. San Antonio Uno versus Santiago. San Vicente. San Vicente, number 2. And there's a foul. San Vicente ball possession, Villamor. Number 11. De Garcia, dribbling the leather. Rodrigueza. Ang San Vicente mapuputukan dito ng 24 shot clock valuation. San Antonio Uno ball possession. Number 14. And there's Canelas on the leather to number 14 for the long three. No basket. Villamor secured the rebound. Pass it to Garcia. Number 20 puts it up and basket. Here comes again San Vicente. De Garcia on the left side. San Antonio Uno. May istilan dito. Rodrigueza. And out of bounds. San Antonio Uno ball possession. There's number 8 to number 16. Number 11, De Garcia, matatawagan doon ng foul. Soner on the free throw line for his 2 shots. And 2 out of 2 para dito sa kupunan ng San Antonio. De Garcia on the leather. Pass it to Rodrigueza. Kahuman to number 18, Canelas. Long jumper. No good.